Time is slipping away every second, and most people don't even notice. They chase distractions, not goals. But remember, time is your most valuable asset. You can lose money and earn it back, but once time's gone, it's gone forever. Stop wasting it. Start directing it toward what truly matters. Time is the only resource that never replenishes. You can recover money, rebuild relationships, and regain health, but once time slips away, it's gone forever. Every second you spend carelessly is a piece of your potential lost. Successful people understand this. They treat time as an investment, not an expense. Use every moment deliberately, aligning it with your goals and values. When you respect your time, you elevate your life, because how you spend your time is how you shape your future. Without clear goals, your time and energy scatter in every direction, leaving you busy but unproductive. Defining exactly what you want creates focus, and focus turns effort into progress. Not everything deserves your attention. Choose what truly matters and commit to it fully. When you prioritize the essential over the trivial, you create momentum toward meaningful results. Clarity eliminates confusion, and priorities transform ambition into achievement. The key is simple: know where you're going and direct your time only toward that path. Failure is not the end, it's feedback. Every setback holds a lesson that can accelerate your growth if you're willing to reflect. Avoiding failure only delays success, while embracing it with awareness transforms pain into progress. When you analyze what went wrong without ego, you uncover insights that move you forward faster. The true failure is repeating mistakes, not making them. Learn to fail well, pause, reflect, and adjust, because each failure, when understood, becomes a stepping stone toward lasting success. Growth begins the moment you stop defending your limitations and start seeking truth. Being radically open-minded means accepting that you might be wrong and welcoming perspectives that challenge your beliefs. Brutal honesty with yourself exposes blind spots and weak habits that quietly hold you back. When you confront reality without denial or ego, you gain clarity and direction. Openness invites learning, honesty builds strength. Together, they form the foundation for real progress, where truth becomes your greatest competitive advantage. Success doesn't come from random effort. It comes from building a system that works consistently. Think of your life and study habits as a machine you design. Every routine, decision, and habit is a part of that system. When something fails, don't blame luck. Adjust the machine. Track your patterns, refine your methods, and make your process smarter over time. A well-designed system removes chaos and builds momentum, turning disciplined action into predictable progress and long-term success. Every moment is a decision to grow or to drift. Don't let time control you. Learn to control it. Those who respect time rise. Those who waste it regret. The clock is ticking. Use it to build, to learn, to become more. Because your future is being written right now.